Welcome back. Dr. Oscar Ribello, who led the Goa Bachao Abhiyan movement, has resigned from the primary membership of the GBA. He has resigned following infighting and allegations from some of the members of the organization. Oscar has said that he can't stay in the organization where his integrity is being questioned. GBA has convened a special meeting on Friday to discuss the issue. Dr. Oscar became the face of the mass movement in 2006, opposing the draconian regional plan. He was the hard-hitting face of the Abhiyan fighting to save Goa. He was the first convener of the GBA for quite a long time. He then resigned as the convener of the Abhiyan following internal rifts. And now he has resigned as the primary member of the GBA, following allegations of cash transactions by one of the GBA members. In the 8th August edition of Herald, Bevinda, a member of the GBA, had alleged that Dr. Oscar had indulged in cash transactions during a meeting in Kansauli. Oscar replied to the allegation through a letter to the editor. Dr. Oscar quotes, "Bevinda may be whistleblowing in jest, but this ugly rumor of my so-called financial improprieties and that of some now retired GBA members is something stalwart members of the GBA have been spreading for ages now. Being a member, let alone a leader of an organization that basically doesn't trust you is, I think, a mindless, if not a soulless existence." Interestingly, this is not the first blow the GBA has received. Oscar and Patricia Pinto had given up the membership of the Task Force on Regional Plan 2011 following such internal mistrust within the GBA. Right now, GBA is without two of the prominent crusaders that they had during the historic Goa Bachao Andolan. Goa convener of the GBA, Sabina Martins, has refused to comment on the resignation of Dr. Ribello. The meeting of the GBA scheduled on Friday has gained importance due to these developments. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Goa police have arrested 5 suspects in connection with Raya robbery and Kepe dacoity on Thursday. The 5 persons, Valley DeCosta, Jason Varghese of Kepe, Narendra Patil, Nagraj Kalgadikar and Hasif Kitur of Madgaon are given 5 days police custody. PI Siddhant Shirodkar of Maina Kurtori and DYSP of Madgaon Umesh Gaonkar with their team arrested 5 thieves involved in Raya theft and Kepe dacoity. These 5 suspects, Valley DeCosta and Jason Varghese of Kepe, Narendra Patil, Nagraj Kaladikar and Hasif Kitur of Madgaon are nabbed. On 22nd July, these arrested accused had assaulted a senior citizen and ransacked the house and fled with 1,20,000 rupees and gold from the house. On 15th June, they had grabbed 2 lakh rupees on gunpoint and rode on 2 motorbikes. SP of South Goa congratulated DYSP of Madgaon Umesh Gaonkar and PI of Maina Kurtori Siddhant Shirodkar for their commendable job.
We have arrested 5 accused persons and we have recovered most of the stolen property. I have recommended a reward for PI Siddhant Shirodkar, his staff and SDPO Margaon for hard efforts that they have done in detecting these 2 grave crimes.
Our reporter in Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut. Government has still not served show cause notice to Shimnit Uch Company to scrap the HSRP tender. Transport Minister had assured in the Assembly that government will scrap the tender.
Transport Minister Sudhin Dhawarikar and Chief Minister Digambar Kamath had assured the House that they will scrap the HSRP contract of Shimnit Uch.
Will you take action on those who have done all these frauds?
Sir, हांवें उदळ उलयता आसतना सांगलें की हो HSRPचो इशू पळय हा हो ज्या पद्दतीन देशांत लागू करपाचो प्रयत्न जालो that itself was a doubtful.
I am assuring the House the lowest rate will be given to the Goan. नवे जे टेंडर काडटले हातूंत ज्यो ह्यो डिस्क्रिपन्सीज आसा त्यो आमी काडपाचो प्रयत्न करता. सगळ्यो 5 कंट्रीज आसूं कितें जे म्हाका जरी जें कितें खबर आसा तें हातूंत आसतलें, इतल्याच हांव एश्युरन्स दिता.
1200 रुपयाच्या वाट्याचे जर 400 रुपया किंवा 300
आम्ही 1400 रुपया
हांव म्हणटा तुका 400 इट इज डेफिनेटली पब्लीक इंटरेस्ट.
69 रुपयाचेर येता.
इट इज डेफिनेटली पब्लीक इंटरेस्ट विथ नोबडी कॅन चेंज.
You are terminating that contract.
Yeah, definitely.
Government has not even served a show cause notice to the Shimnit Uch for scrapping the HSRP tender. Advocate for Shimnit Uch K.S. Nadkarni placed the same fact before the Bombay High Court. Advocate Nadkarni argued that his client Shimnit Uch has not received any kind of notice regarding scrapping of the HSRP. In reply, Advocate General Subodh Kantak said that government had taken a decision of terminating the contract of HSRP but has not terminated it yet. To this, Advocate Nadkarni argued that government should have constituted a committee under the Chief Secretary before implementing HSRP and not after the implementation of contract. Court has directed the government to issue show cause notice to the company. Already many have installed high security registration plates to their vehicles and many are in a dilemma whether to install it or wait for a concrete step from the government. A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
The seeds of communalism sowed few years ago are bearing us bitter fruits till today. Kala Mongi has decided to remake their 1991 hit Kokni Theatre Aami Agle Ek to prove this point. The remake is United We Stand, a theatre in English. It is staged on the backdrop of communalism in politics post-liberation. The theatre will be shown at Ravindra Bhavan at Madgaon on 16th and at Kala Academy on 17th August.
A theatre performing organization, Kala Mogi Kandoli, is staging a new theatre in English named United We Stand. Thomasin Cardoz, director of the theatre, told us that virus of communalism was spread during the first assembly election post-liberation in Goa. He said the state is still under the influence of communalism and politics has divided people.
The communal virus was put in our minds and mostly the illiterate people of Goa by the politicians at that time. And then we see even today that communal virus is increasing day by day.
Thomasin informed that the entry to this theatre is free.
The complimentary passes are available at the counters of Ravindra Bhavan Margaon, ticket counters, and from tomorrow it will be available at Kala Academy's ticket counter in Panjim. In Margaon it is on 16th and in Kala Academy it is on 17th. On both days it is at 7 o'clock.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.